Bowling Green State University is proud to announce the creation of our new Teaching Kitchen, located in the Oates Dining Center across from the Bowen Thompson Student Union. The Teaching Kitchen is designed to be a collaborative space for students, staff, faculty, and members of the Bowling Green community to explore a passion for food and learn culinary skills they can use throughout their lives. Programming will consist of culinary classes, tastings, and experiential learning events where our guests can gain an intimate learning experience from working one-on-one with our talented chefs in a fun, energetic environment. The space will also serve as a test kitchen for our culinary team to train and enhance their skills to deliver an award-winning dining experience here on the BGSU campus. We look forward to the greater Bowling Green community taking part in this new and exciting culinary training center here at BGSU, where together we can share our passion for food and education.